The government of India has simplified the process of applying a student visa, and now they have launched e-student visa too. They have given the process here on the official e-visa site that I'm showing you in this video. So what you have to do if you're going to study in India and you want to apply this e-student visa as a foreign national, what you can do that first you need to register on Study in India portal. Okay. Then you need to put your details and get the student ID. Then using this student ID, you can apply your e-student visa. Okay, so first we'll go for this portal, studyinIndia.gov.in. I have opened it right here over here. I'll go to the home page. Okay, so here I'm going for registration, student register. I click. So what it is asking to put the details, okay, so that it can like log in you. So what are the things it needs? Given name, surname. You need to do as per your case. I'm just doing sample. Okay. Of course, I won't be submitting it. Country code, you need to select as per your own case. Okay. Put your mobile number, email, password, and click on login. Okay. Number 3, apply student visa using student ID. So we're gonna see this. Okay. Actually, we are on the site. So here, click on apply for a e-visa. Okay. So whatever information I'm gonna put here is completely sample and not real. So when you put your information, not what you see here. So first select your nationality, whatever it is. Okay. Then select your passport type. I select ordinary. If you have something else, you need to do port of arrival. I'm selecting Delhi. Date of birth, do it as per your own case, not what you see here. See, now we have e-student visa. Okay. Now, what are the things you need for studies in yoga, Vedic culture, Indian system of or Buddhist for higher education? Wow, perfect. Expected date of arrival. So do it as per your own case. I'm just doing this. Okay, and you need to put your email address, confirm your email address, and then you need to go to enter this captcha and go to next stage. So I'm gonna do that, and then I'm gonna see you guys. So these are the documents that you're gonna need: copy of passport page, letter of admission from recognized Indian institution, NOC from Ministry of Health and Family. Okay. Okay, if you are doing joining a medical, fine. A letter of support from parent guardian accompanied by bank guarantee certificate or previous 6 months of bank statement. You mean admission letter, passport, finance letter, and NOC from Ministry of Health if you're gonna join a medical or paramedical course. Okay, let's click on OK. Okay, now surname, given name exactly as your password. Although I type in small, it converts to capital. Have you changed your name? If yes, check the box. I will not do that. Date of birth, town, city of birth. Country of birth, citizenship, national ID number, and do it as per your own case. Religion, visible identity, I just say mole on left lip. No, on left hand. This is not on me, but I'm just saying. Education qualification. Let's say you're a graduate and you're going to do higher studies in masters. Did you acquire citizenship, nationality by birth or naturalization? So I'm gonna select birth. Have you lived for at least 2 years in a country you're applying? Yes. Now asking for your passport details and do it as per your own case, not what you see here. Place of issue. Check your passport for this. Date of issue, date of expiry. Any other valid passport? And I select no. Okay. Save and continue. House number, street. Do it as per your own case. Village, town, city, country, Canada, district, zip code, phone number. Permanent address, same I did. Okay. Parent details. Okay. So let's say his father's name is Peter Smith. Nationality is Canadian. Previous nationality, no, I'm not gonna do. Place of birth, let's say Toronto. Be very careful with this information. Always verify 2 times, not just once. Mother name, let's say Julie Smith. Nationality, let's say. Do check spelling everything. Place of birth, country, birth, marital status, I select single. Where your parent, grandparents, Pakistan national or belong to Pakistan Hind area, I select no. Profession, present occupation, Air Force, so many things are there. Wow. I just go for private service. Employer, I just say Toronto business. Designation, let's say I say receptionist. Address, whatever is the address. Phone number, past occupation. If so, definitely, like even if a field is not mandatory, if you have value, why not provide that? Where you are, where you in a military, semi police, security, I select no. So do it as per your own case, guys. Did I miss anything? Yes, mobile number is required. Wow. Yes, Santo, guys. Places to be visited. So let's say he's gonna study in Delhi and he's gonna visit Mumbai too. Okay. And like if you have more places, put in line two. Have you booked any hotel in hotel, resort, etc. 22 operator? I said no. If you have, definitely do. Detail purpose, yes. For higher education, including South Asian University, Nalanda University from institution registered on Study India portal, name of institution, address, phone, email ID, describe the course, applied for duration in months, course start, end, name of compliance officer, are you joining a paramedical, expected port of exit. I just select Delhi. Okay. Have you visited India before? I select no. Has permission to visit Australia previously been refused? I select no. Country visited last 10 years. I did not provide, but if you have definitely like visited, definitely provide. Have visited SAR country during the last 3 years? I select accept your own reference names. It's asking. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna see if I can bypass this step. Okay, I mean put something and I can go through next. Just give me some time. I will see you in the next page if I can. So that because I'm not having any student ID, it's not letting me into the next stage, but don't worry. In next stage, it will ask few more details that you can see in other e-visa videos too that I have made. And at the end, it will ask you to make the payment, then it will go for the processing. So once it is there, and before it goes there, it's gonna ask you to upload the documents where that we had seen before in this video, and also your photo. Okay, and then it will ask you to pay the money, and once you do that it will go for the processing, and once granted you are all good to go. So that is how simple it is, guys. That is how it works. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.